Hello, I'm Mahra Ahmed al-Mashari from class 9A from Omama bint alharith school. Today I'll present to you my microgreen farming task which was guided by the teacher Jisha Nair. So a little introduction. Microgreens are vegetable plants that can be grown with or without soil. Examples include lentils, tomatoes, and broccoli. In this presentation, I will detail the growth of my microgreens throughout their first week, and I will also mention some observations that I made about my plant. 20th of October, day 1. I got an empty ice cream box, cotton, and some lentils to grow my microgreen. The first thing I did was wet the cotton and then put it inside the ice cream box. I flattened it only a little bit before putting the lentils on top. I sprinkled some water and then I put the container in a dark cabinet for 3 days, and I made sure to water my microgreens twice a day. 21st of October, day 2. I was pleasantly surprised to see that my plants had already started sprouting. You can see that some stems developed. 22nd of October, day 3. The stems were more prominent and the little leaves started appearing on the edge. This was said to be the last day that my plants spent indoors. 23rd of October, day 4. This was by far the best day. Some plants were about 5 centimeters tall, and at this point they all started sprouting. This was the first day that I put my microgreens outside. 24th of October, day 5. My plants started gaining color. They used to be pale and light green, but now they are a darker shade of green. 25th of October, day 6. The microgreens were so tall at this point that they started growing out of their container. And finally, day 7. As you can see, my microgreens grew tall and healthy in just a span of a week. They are around 9 centimeters on average, but one of them is as tall as 11 centimeters. Some observations that I made about my plant. The type of leaves are compound with a pinnate venation and they have a whorled arrangement. I noticed that my plant had little hairs projecting out. These hairs are called trichomes and they are here to keep the plant cool by reflecting sunlight, and they also repel insects and some predator animals. In conclusion, this was a very fun task to perform. I learned how to properly take care of plants, and I was also able to apply many things that I learned from biology class. I now definitely feel more attracted to gardening. It is a very calming hobby, and I think we can all benefit from it. I'm Mahar Ahmed al-Mashari from 9A Omama bint alharith school, and this was guided by the teacher, Jisha Nair. Thank you.